Hey everyone, it's Bart here again from Bodjabart. We're just going to see if we can set this steering up on all of this stuff now. And we're going to start welding it up, so I better get a jacket on to look after my nice t-shirt. We'll see what we're going to get up to. Right, we're just going to tack that front arm on first. I've got it all set up, ready to go. Hopefully it'll stay there. Got a good earth on the clamp here. We should be right to go. Turn the machine on and let's hope. Right. Just want to turn it down a bit because I might have a bit high in power. We'll see what happens. I think it's ready. Got it reasonably lined up in the middle. Yep, got an eyeballing up here. Hope it doesn't move. Oh, put some glasses on. I see better with the glasses on. We're not going to weld them. I think we've got that roughly in line. Yeah, it's roughly in line. So then it sits in there like that. Don't think that's too hot, won't be up in plastic. No, or Teflon. No, it's pretty good. Pretty good. Wee bit of heat there, just touching. He's got a little bit of movement up and down. Yep. Right. Now these little beauties. They're supposed to fit in here like this. So as you can see, they're too long. Which is what we thought was going to happen anyway, so that's good. So that one goes there. So we have to cut out that much. And stitch them back together. Right, I'll tell you we've got to cut out. Looking at that, 40mm. Maybe I can go to 50. And that gives me a little bit of movement. We'll do 40 first, we'll cut 40 out first. I think that'll be alright. It's cold, it's cold. It's alright. It's not too warm. It's a wee bit warm. I might just take it out of there. Oh no, it's alright. Right, so what we have to do is take these off. It's got a flat bit on there, just there, so you can put a spanner or something in there for when you need to rotate it. So that sits in there. That helps turn it. So what we have to do is keep that bit. So if we cut it there and take 40mm out of it and see what we get. Here we go, I'm back. I've cut it and I put a bit of a chamfer on it so I can weld it in here better, get some weld in there, and it should be okay. I've actually done the other one, so this is the second one. I took a wee bit more off this one. I only took 45 off the first one. I've taken 50 off this one. So we'll weld this up and then we'll let them cool down, and we will put it in and see what happens. So, I actually use this here to hold it in place. Actually worked out quite good on the first one, so I'll do it on the second one as well. Just put that roughly in the middle. And then we just go in there and weld them out. I hope. No, we will, because I did. Worked out alright on the first one. What we're going to do is we'll probably just file that up, or stick it in the, I think we'll just file them off, grind it off maybe, so it looks pretty. That's it. Chuck that on the ground to cool down with the other one. How hot's it? Still hot. Right. Look at there. Yep, hello, we're back. So we've cleaned up my welds and they don't look too bad. Now we're just putting these on. So this is the left hand side, left hand thread on one side and right hand thread on the other side. That's so that when you turn it, it can go in and out. For the adjustment. Right, yeah. We need to get a spacer in there just to see how it works. Bottom of 12mm nut. Yep. And we still need a wee bit more, but we'll sort that out later. So we have this here, to go up here, onto there. And I think I also put a spacer in there. I think it's just going to be one of these. There's my spacer, just a washer. It's in here, yeah. Down through there, and just through there. Right, what I can see now is that's angled there. That's angled there, so we've got adjustment on this, and I think it must go that way. Here we go. Alright, and that's how it works. Look at that. That's straight. Okay. I took 50 off that one. I should have just stuck with the 40 like the other side. But we've got a bit of adjustment. Still need more. That way. Okay, tighten that up, need a bit on this one, one has to go the other way. There you go. Line that up there. And if you have the steering wheel there, look at that. I think it's working all right. I don't actually know. Ah, okay, so it's heading there. So we may have to alter a bit because we can't get it to come round all the way. Well, that's not true, you see. So that would be turning in, so that would mean that the inside wheel is turning sharper than the outside wheel, which is what you want. That means it's got acronym steering. Well, that's what they call it. So what we'll do is chuck these on. Look at that. Ooh. Does that look like it's on an angle? I'm wondering if I haven't got enough. I might not have enough. Might not have enough of an angle. Oh well, looks like it works. We can always just cut that. It's got a bit of a camber. I didn't want to give it too much. Too much this way. I just didn't want to have it too much. I suppose there's a fine line between too much and not enough. But it definitely looks like it's going to work, doesn't it? Rightio. I'll leave that like that for now. Yeah, they look like they're good enough. I think I might have to change these studs to bolts. Not so much bolts, cap screws. I think the cap screws might be better. Definitely think cap screws might be the way to go on these. Don't like the idea of getting a nut in there. Oh well, steering looks a go. Right, we'll finish welding that onto there next, because I think that's in the right place. Then we've got to make a flange up for here. And then I'll get back to you, I think. We're pretty close now. It seems to have taken a long time, but we're getting there. Definitely getting there. Alright, still got seat to go. Back axle to fix up. Yeah, we're not far away from actually having a roller. I probably could put the back axle in and chuck the wheels on to have a roller, but We'll have to wait a bit longer, I think. But that looks like it, people. And that's the end of that one. So what I'll do is finish these, decide on if I'm going to use cap screws or not, with a nut on the back. I think might be the better way to go. I think that might be the best way to go. What I didn't see is if it's with, yeah, so that fits in there. Oh, yeah, it's definitely off the ground. She's pretty low, that's what we want. That looks like it's working out nicely. Ooh. Alright. Got a good distance here. That locks around to there. We probably could have built all of this closer. But, you know, see how it goes. You can always move these in closer. At the moment, it's a full lock, that's hard lock. We're hitting it on one of these things inside here. So that's why it doesn't go around anymore. So we can carve that away a wee bit if we want. But I think that's probably a good lock. We'll find out when it's going, so we can always alter later. Once we get the other wheel on. Set him up like that. Jeepers. Yeah. He's got a bit of camber, that's all. Alright, thanks a lot. Like and subscribe. We'll catch you later. Thank you.